have my cup of chrysanthemum tea, and I'm ready to open my mail. Let's see the package. Happy Halloween, everybody. I have my last birthday gift today, and I saved some of the best for last. I hope. I'm so excited about this. I haven't seen what's in here. I am probably going to take all the tape off of this box. Show how I roll, guys. But I want to open it up properly. I want to open it up from the top because this is a My Mood box from H&P Artistry, my friend Heather. I think we got it. Okay, here we go. Oh, here's what you see when you open it up. Little note, this is thank you for ordering the October My Mood box. Oh, look how pretty that is. Okay, let's open this up and see what it says. Look, it's sealed. I've always wanted to do this. Oh, it didn't crack. It's okay. That's really cool though. All right. Spell for a magical bath. Oh, this is awesome. This is going to be so much fun. I can't wait to enjoy it. Oh, put a spell on you. I need my glasses. Sorry, guys. This has been like a backwards day, so I kind of picked, a day where nothing really goes right. So I picked today. Oh, look at all this pretties. Picked a day where I really needed a pick-me-up to open this, and I am excited. Halloween box 2019. I put a spell on you, Artisan soap with heavy cream. Oh, it smells so good. It really smells good, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's a candle in here. Okay, let's see. Let's open it up. Told you it was an off day. I'm just kind of really able to relate to my autistic child. This has not been a very, the kind of day where you're just like, no, that's not going to happen. Look what I got. Oh my goodness, there's so much fun in here. Oh, so this is neat. This netting kind of held it all back. I hope you guys can see this. I'm going to move the camera down a little bit because I hope I'm doing this right because I really can't see what I'm doing. Oh, I love cauldrons. I put a spell on you. Hand sculpted artisan soap with heavy cream. So this is a pièce de résistance, guys. This is why I ordered the whole box. Oh wow, Heather, that is so gorgeous. That is solid and beautiful soap. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is going to be so much fun to use. Wow. Girl, you got skills. Check that out. Okay. Directions. To help your soap last longer, keep soap in a dry, ventilated area when not in use. Let soap dry completely between uses. And it has olive oil, water, coconut oil, lard, sodium hydroxide, cream, castor oil, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, avocado shea, cocoa butter, sodium lactate, kaolin, titanium pigment oxide, and fragrance. And it's a 4-ounce bar. That is gorgeous. Okay, this is probably the prettiest book soap now that I've ever seen, mine own included. That is absolutely brilliant, girl. You outdid yourself. That is really cool. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put that where you can see it, hopefully. All right, next one. This is the cauldron. This is called Calming Circle Bath Bomb. See, I wasn't even close. So this is called Let's Form a Calming Circle. Fizzing bath bomb with hand-sculpted soap decorations and glow-in-the-dark pigment topper. Cool. Fragrance notes of Bordeaux wine, blood orange, and dark rose. Directions. Lower cauldron into the bath and lift out the cauldron. Will fizz bubbles and overflow into the bath, releasing its skin-loving magic. Ingredients. Baking soda, citric acid, milk powder, avocado oil, yum yum, cornstarch, Epsom salt, polysorbate 80, fragrance oil, batch certified water soluble 5, and blue 1 dye, titanium dioxide, mica, glow in the dark pigment, witch hazel, and cold process soap. Cool. I love these. I absolutely love these. And there's a nice little handle there so you can lift it in and out of the water. That is so much fun. Okay, this one is called Boys Will Love Me Lotion Bar. So let me show you what that looks like. I love lotion bars. Solid lotion bar, fragrance notes of exotic fruit, delicate orchid blossom, sensual amber, and vanilla. Directions. Lotion bars melt with body heat. Best using right out of the shower on warm skin. That's so true. That is so true. Lush had their, when they released their shower conditioners, or whatever they are, they're massage bars. And they are so good if you pick them up and use them right after you are finished with your bath. Now, if you're in a bath or in the shower, if you're in a bath, just use it at the very end and then rinse it off, and your whole body will get covered with, oh, this is pretty. Oh, I gotta show you this, guys. Oh, this is so neat. I have a coffin. I have a coffin. You know what, Heather? I think I might just use this as a bath bomb mold. That is too cool. I could do a giant coffin bath bomb with that. I'm going to totally try it. Okay. So we saw the Boys Will Love Me lotion bar. Next is the Ward Away Witches, Zombies, and Ex-Boyfriends bath salt. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that smells really good. Okay. Ward Away Witches, Zombie, and Ex-Boyfriends, milk and bath salt. Okay, fragrant notes of earthy sandalwood and ylang ylang, baby powder, patchouli, and vanilla. Yeah, it's that's dead on. It's gorgeous. Directions. Sprinkle as much or as little into a warm bath for a deliciously relaxing and nourishing bath experience. Ingredients: Epsom salt, European sea salt, Himalayan sea salt, milk powder, fragrance spearmint, eucalyptus, rosemary, fennel, juniper berry, peppermint, chamomile, lemongrass, orange peel, lavender, rose petals, and hibiscus flowers. Girl, you outdid yourself. That's just awesome. I think I'm going to use this tonight. Actually, like I said, it's been one of those kind of days. I'll probably just sprinkle a little bit, but you know, sometimes I go nuts and I use it all, and sometimes you just need to do that. Wooden coffin with black stain for decorative purposes only, but you know what? I think I still think I'm gonna make a bath bomb with it. We'll see if it works. Oh, golly. Okay, so we've got one more thing in here. And this is the candle. Oh, that's a neat looking candle. I like candles. I think I will light my candle and ward away witches, zombies, and ex-boyfriends tonight. We'll say, ward away all your troubles and all your worries. Ooh, I like it. That smells familiar. That smells really familiar. Look how pretty that is. And look at how she's labeled it. Very cool. All right, it says, a virgin lit a candle. Hand-poured artisan soy wax, candle-topped with eco glitter, fragrance notes of fresh floral, citrus with a dry woody background, net weight 4 ounces. Cool. Okay, I'm going to bring it back up now, guys. Okay, I thoroughly enjoyed this. I totally recommend you go and check out H&P Artistry. I think she's going to be doing these either seasonally or monthly. I'm not sure. I know she has another one coming out, probably a Christmas one. I just might get, I don't know. I've kind of like totally blown our budget for my birthday. I think my birthday and Christmas are done. Anyway, this was totally cool. I love everything about it from the minute I opened it up. This is awesome and totally worth it. I don't know how you put it together for such a great price, but I am feeling totally pampered right now. I'm gonna have so much fun with this box, girl. Yes, I am. And this is so for Harry Potter. I love it. I love Harry Potter. Something I will definitely get again is one of her gift boxes, because dang girl, you got some skills. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe. Have a wonderful and safe and happy Halloween, and I hope you come back soon to my Soapy Kitchen.